Welcome to the Crown Penthouse at the Treadwell, perched high above the city on the 26th floor. This sprawling 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath is the epitome of luxury living. This stunning 40-foot great room with soaring 14-foot ceiling heights and 3 exposures is flooded with natural light. The dual terraces on the northern and southern ends have stunning views of the East River.
Adjacent to the great room is the expansive open kitchen. The Cerussed oak cabinetry, Mont Blanc quartzite countertops, and recessed lighting create a sophisticated and warm ambiance. The kitchen is functional as it is beautiful with a full suite of Miele appliances for the ultimate culinary experience. Now, let's explore the primary suite, which spans the entire northern wing of the residence. This private retreat includes a spacious bedroom, west-facing windows, offering breathtaking views of Central Park. A private study that can easily be converted to a 4th bedroom, and not 1, but 2 terrace spaces. The primary bathroom is an oasis of luxury with Bianco Oro marble, radiant heated floors, and soft ambient lighting. Each detail has been thoughtfully curated to create an experience of relaxation and tranquility. The secondary bedrooms are located on the southern wing of the residence, ensuring privacy for family and guests. Each bedroom has direct access to private outdoor space and an ensuite bath.
This remarkable penthouse isn't just a home, it's a statement.
With its unparalleled design, extraordinary views, and world-class finishes, the Crown Penthouse at the Treadwell is a rare opportunity to live at the pinnacle of modern luxury.
Thank you for taking this tour. We look forward to welcoming you.